Hello class 3, good afternoon. So class 3, in our last class, I mean to say that in our last video class, what did we do? We have started a new chapter, that is chapter 4 from your grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Nouns, Common and Proper. Okay. So, in the same, we did 3 exercises based on common and proper. The first one was write C in front of the common noun and write P in front of the proper noun. The second exercise was write 2 proper nouns against each common noun. One has been done for you, it was given. Now,
Good morning.
B exercise was you have to mark the mistakes in the given sentences. That we did. So 3 exercises we have done. Now I have come today with a new concept of a different kind of noun. Okay? And let me ask you a question. That when there is one flower, जब एक flower हमारे पास है, we call it flower. Okay? When we have more than one flower, जब एक से ज़्यादा flower होता है तो we call it flowers, है ना? वो singular से plural हो जाता है. But if the same flower or many flowers are bunched together, if the flowers are bunched together, तो वो bunch क्या हो जाएगा? वो one हो जाएगा. तो उसका भी कोई नाम है क्या? यही हमारा आज का टॉपिक है. If the nouns of the same kind are in a group, what we call them? अगर same noun का एक ग्रुप है और एक साथ है तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Let me give you one more example. You are in class 3. One boy who is studying in class 3 is called a student. Okay? One girl who is studying in the same class is called a student. Now, if there are suppose 25 students there, so सारे students को एक साथ क्या बोला जाएगा? Student, 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 student. This name is their common noun. This name is their common noun. And when we call them by their name, it becomes proper. लेकिन जब सारे students को एक साथ address करना है, तो we will tell them a class. We will tell them a class. So, a group of students is called a class. आज मैम बात कर रही है nouns of the same kind that are grouped together. Nouns of the same kind that are grouped together. इसी तरह से जब बहुत सारे flowers का एक bunch बनता है, it is called a bouquet. It's called a bouquet. Likewise, when there are many lions sitting together or a particular group of lions, it's called a pride. It's called a pride. If there are many grapes, okay, if there are many grapes in a single, what can we say that? जो अंगूर का गुच्छा होता है, जो बहुत सारे अंगूर एक साथ होते हैं, that is called a bunch. So, सारे students एक साथ class. सारे लायंस एक साथ प्राइड, सारे अंगूर एक साथ बंच. उसी तरह से बहुत सारे बर्ड्स जब एक साथ होते हैं तो उनको फ्लॉक बोला जाता है. FLOCK, फ्लॉक. एंड बहुत सारे कार्ड्स जब एक साथ होते हैं, कार्ड्स 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 कार्ड्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डेक. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डेक. सो व्हाई आई एम saying you all these, because ये जो एक ग्रुप है जिसका मैम आपको नाम बता रही है, they all come under collective noun. Now why they are called collective noun? Collective noun क्यों कहा गया उनको? Because all the nouns are collected together. All the nouns are collected together. Lion, 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 lion. All the lions are in the same place in a group. That means they are collected together. सारे फ्लावर्स को जब एक साथ आप कलेक्ट करके बंचिंग करते हो, it becomes a bouquet. So bouquet is a collective noun. सारे क्लास के बच्चे एक साथ होते हैं, सारे स्टूडेंट्स एक साथ होते हैं, they are called a class. So class is a collective noun. So now see here what is written here. Sometimes we give a single name to a group of people, animals, birds, things. For example, what is the example given? A group of students is called a class. A group of students is called a class. अभी तक मैम ने आपको जो भी बताया about the collection of same kind of nouns, the same is written in the book. A group of students is called a class. Now see here, we are in the topic collective nouns. A group of lions is called a pride. That means P-R-I-D-E, pride is a collective noun. A group of birds is called a flock. So flock is a collective noun. A group of cards is called a deck. So deck, D-E-C-K, deck is a collective noun. So now read it further. Here, class, pride, flock and deck are collective nouns. Take a look at some more examples of collective noun. Now, as you all know that we are in the, where are we? We are in the topic collective noun, and we are learning about the nouns of the same kind that are grouped together. Okay, now see, first I will mark the common noun. पहले मैं common noun को मार्क करूंगी, उसके बाद हम हाईलाइट करेंगे कि उनके कलेक्शन को क्या कहा जाता है या फिर उनके लिए कौन सा कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज होता है. ओके, सोल्जर्स. सोल्जर्स मीन्स जब सारे सोल्जर्स एक साथ हो या उनकी एक ग्रुप. सिंगर्स, सिंगर्स की एक ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? म्यूजिशियंस, म्यूजिशियंस की ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? Dancers. What is the group of dancers called? Onlookers. Onlookers का मतलब होता है people. Onlookers के ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? Players. खिलाड़ियों के ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? अब ये आपके सारे common nouns हो गए. Now concentrate on the name of their proper noun. Sorry, collective nouns. कि soldiers के ग्रुप को आर्मी कहते हैं, सिंगर्स के ग्रुप को खोयर कहते हैं, म्यूजिशियंस के ग्रुप को बैंड कहते हैं, डांसर्स के ग्रुप को ट्रूप कहा जाता है, ऑनलुकर्स के ग्रुप को क्राउड कहा जाता है, प्लेयर्स के ग्रुप को टीम कहा जाता है. नाउ यू शुड से इट एटलीस्ट 5 times to learn it, as I am learning it. An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. A-R-M-Y, army. Next, a choir of singers. 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 C-H-O-I-R, choir. C-H-O-I-R, choir. C-H-O-I-R, choir. Next, a band of musicians. A band of musicians. A band of musicians. A band of musicians. B-A-N-D, band. B-A-N-D, band. B-A-N-D, band. Next, a troupe of dancers. A troupe of dancers. A troupe of dancers. players. A team of players. T-E-A-M, team. T-E-A-M, team. T-E-A-M, team. T-E-A-M, team. So these are some of the examples when people are together. What their collective noun is called. And what we are learning? We are learning about collective noun. In your book, there are many examples of collective noun. Now, not only people, animals also have collective noun. Things also have collective nouns and birds also have collective noun. Now, one by one, we will read the collective nouns given in the book. Okay? Now, see here. See the next one. In animals and birds column. A colony of ants. A pack of wolves. A swarm of bees, flies. A shoal of fish. A litter of puppies. I want to tell you one thing. जब भी हम collective noun के बारे में बात बोलते हैं तो ये जो common nouns है वो प्लूरल में लिखा जाता है या प्लूरल में बोला जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर तो फिश में es भी नहीं लगा, s भी नहीं लगा है, यहाँ तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है ये सिंगुलर है प्लूरल है. Why? Because fish has no plural. फिश सिंगुलर में भी FISH होता है और प्लूरल में भी FISH होता है. Now read it again. A colony of ants, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, flies, a shoal of fish, a litter of puppies, a herd of cows, a herd of cattle. Next, come to the things column. You have to learn it. As madam is learning it, why? Because I want you to learn in the same manner. इसी तरह से आपको भी learn करना है. When you learn it orally, then you should write it. A bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a flight of stairs. Here stair means सीढ़ियाँ. A flight of stairs. A galaxy of stars. A galaxy of stars. A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. That means many ships together are called a fleet of ships, and this is a string of pearl. A string of pearl. जब मोतियां एक साथ होती हैं, that it is called a string of pearl. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Now, the next exercise is, what is the next exercise? It is match columns to make collective nouns. Now, common nouns and collective nouns are put in two columns, two different columns. ये एक कॉलम है, ये कॉमन नाउन का कॉलम है, और ये जो है कॉलम भी, it is the column of collective nouns. So what we need to do? We need to match them. Okay? Like again I am reading out the collective nouns from the above table. ऊपर वाले टेबल से एक बार और मैं read out कर रही हूँ. You should try to do your own. Okay? And how you need to do it? आपको common noun से collective noun को match करना है. Like stairs. Stairs. Stairs के लिए कौन सा collective noun है? Flight. So you should write this one here. Flight of stairs. For bees, it is swarm. So number 2 will come here. Likewise, you have to do it. I am giving you a time of 2 minutes. And till then, I am reading out the collective nouns from the above table. An army of soldiers, a choir of singers, a band of musicians, a troop of dancers, a crowd of onlookers, a team of players, a colony of ants, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, a swarm of flies, a shoal of fish, a litter of puppies, a herd of cows, a herd of cattle, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a flight of stairs, a galaxy of stars, a bouquet of flowers, a fleet of ships, a string of pearls. Okay? Now let us match them. Stairs, flight. Bees, swarm. Fish, shoal. Number 3. You should put numbers. Why? Because the matching lines, they look confusing. जो मैच और लाइंस करते हैं वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन दिखता है उनमें कि कौन सा लाइन कहाँ गया है. So you should always put numbers for matching. Next is students. Students will go with class. Soldiers, army, puppies, litter. Puppies is at number 6, so litter. I'll write the number one more time. Now next is lion, pride, number 7. Birds, flock, number 8. Grapes, bunch, number 9. Ants, colony, number 10. So what is the matching number that we need to write at B? It is, again I am doing it, stairs, flight, 1. Bees, swarm, 2. Fish, shoal, 3. Student, class, 4. Soldiers, army, 5. Puppies, litter, 6. Lions, pride, 7. Birds, flock, 8. Next is grapes, bunch, 9. And the last one is ants, colony, 10. So the matching number is 5816 2310 947. 5816 2310 947. 5816 2310 947. Now class, come to the next exercise. The next exercise pictures are given, and in the help box all the collective nouns are given. We just need to write their collective noun, that what are a group of lions called. It is called a pride, P-R-I-D-E, pride. A group of grapes is called a bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch. Next, a group of birds, flock, F-L-O-C-K, flock. A group of ants, army. Sorry, it's colony. COLONY, colony. Okay. Next, what is this? This is a pair of shoe. This is a pair of shoe. Next, a shoal of fish. SHOAL, shoal of fish. Next, number 7 is bees. That means swarm. A swarm of bees. We are learning collective noun. What we are learning? Collective noun. जब सारे एक ही तरह के nouns एक साथ होते हैं तो उनके ग्रुप को क्या बोला जाता है? That we are learning. Here students are there. So this is a class. CLASS, class. This is bouquet. Class, be careful while writing the spelling of bouquet because it is little tricky. BOUQUET. See here T. The sound T is silent and the spelling of bouquet is BOUQUET. BOUQUET. क्लास देखो, मैम आपको पहले भी बोलती थी when you were in class 2 that जो भी स्पेलिंग थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है उसको then and there लर्न कर लेना चाहिए. Okay, so what is the spelling of bouquet? BOUQUET. BOUQUET, bouquet. BOUQUET, bouquet. And what is an amazing fact about the letter Q? Q के बारे में एक amazing fact ये है कि any word that has a Q, जिस भी word में letter Q आता है उसके बाद U जरूर आता है. So never get confused that Q के बाद U आएगा कि नहीं. Q के बाद U आएगा ही. So it is BOUQUET, bouquet. BOUQUET, bouquet. And this is a deck of cards. DECK, deck. DECK, deck. A deck of cards. Now, the last exercise is left. It will take hardly 5 to 7 minutes. And here in this exercise, we need to write all the collective nouns. And I am reading out the sentences first, then we will write the collective nouns. And the sentences are: a dash of sheep grazed in the fields. A herd of sheep grazed in the fields. A dash of ants carried a biscuit. A colony of ants carried a biscuit. The dash of lions was asleep. Fright. The dash of stairs led to the top of the building. Flight. Harsha has been selected in the Indian hockey team. My friends gave me a bouquet of flowers on my birthday. Our cat has had a litter of 7 kittens. The dash always followed the shepherd. The herd always follows the shepherd. The dash of wolves howled at midnight. The pack of wolves howled. It is howled at midnight. Number 10, I dropped the bunch of keys in the drain by mistake. Now I am going to write it. After this, I will end up my class. HERD, herd. COLONY, colony. PRIDE, pride. Flight, FLIGHT, flight. Next, hockey team. Next, bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bouquet. Our cat has had a litter of puppies. Litter. L-I-T-T-E-R. Litter. Next, the dash always follows the shepherd. The herd. H-E-R-D. Herd. The deck. The pack. Pack of wolves. P-A-C-K. Pack. That means when there are many wolves together, the group is called a pack. I dropped the bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. And class 3, here we have completed chapter number 4 from your grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Nouns, Common and Proper. And what did we learn in the chapter? We learned in the chapter that how nouns can be common, how nouns can be proper, and what we say the noun, when they are in a group. So we have learnt common noun, proper noun and collective noun in this chapter. Okay, so class 3, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.